In today's video, we will be focusing on the energy production screen. This can be entered from the home page. The energy production screen provides you with a visual representation of how your system performed in 15-minute intervals, allowing for time-based insights. The goal of the energy production screen is to display your historical data, deconstruct where your generated electricity is going and when, and anticipate buy and sell prices. This one is especially useful for wholesale customers. The first graph is battery state and charge, which represents the various states of your battery throughout the day. Viewing previous days can uncover patterns in electricity usage and help define what times are critical to be electricity conscious. The bars indicate when electricity was entering or leaving your battery, while the dotted line displays the battery percentage. The next graph is the solar and usage graph, which represents how much energy you have produced and consumed. Everything above the line is electricity produced, while everything below is electricity consumed. This graph works alongside battery state and charge, as it provides context as to why your battery was filling or emptying. The buy and sell section is designed to forecast your electricity prices. This is especially useful for wholesale customers. If your home requires more electricity than what is being generated, it will buy from the grid. On the other hand, any excess amount of electricity will be sold back to the grid, which will reduce your electricity bill. Knowing exactly how much you will be spending with our buy and sell forecast can help prepare energy customers for price spikes. These graphs are also able to be interacted with through dragging across the graph or tapping on the keys below it. Since both graphs have data related to each other, we have paired horizontal scrolling to both graphs, meaning that if you scroll through solar and usage, battery state and charge will also move in alignment too. You can additionally remove or add content to the graphs by toggling on and off the key elements below. This is so you can refine your graphs to better suit your wants. To change the data in the graphs to display different days, there is a selector at the bottom of the screen. You can move back and forward with the left and right arrows, or select a specific day from the calendar by tapping on the date in the middle. We hope that these changes make understanding your data a little bit easier. If you have any further suggestions on how we can improve, please do not hesitate to send us an email at support@redearth.energy.